No, no, so rich people are born with a I don't know, this girl is rich people are rich people are rich people are born huh? uh, she's not letting me. So hey guys, hope you're doing good. I'm doing good too, and welcome to yet another video of Real Pill from Deepak. In this video we'll be talking about game. So if you see, we have talked about LMS, looks, money, status, and in Deepak Dating we say it LMSG, looks, money, status and game. And based on the values of your LMS, we decide, like, you will see how much game you need in getting girls. So in this video we will be talking about game G. So I was watching this this movie, White Tiger. It's an Indian movie, but in English language. It is in Netflix. So there's a line, when I was watching this movie, I will put the clip also. The hero, the guy in this movie, he said, like, rich people are born with opportunities. They can no, no, so rich people are born with I don't know, this girl is rich people are born she's not letting me. So they said, he said, like, rich people are born with it's not good. No. What? She's what? Huh? Oh God. Okay. So let me see if I have one lira. Okay. So good. So let's start. In this movie, he said that rich people are born with opportunities that they can waste, but the poor people, it's a different thing.
Rich men are born with opportunities they can waste. But a poor man?
When I was watching that scene, it really hit me hard, and I said, like, I can relate with that kind of scene, actually, what he said. So what is game? So we were talking about game. So I will explain you how it related, how I got that scene hit me hard. So the evolution of game, the what we say, tight game. That's the, like, in Deepak Dating we say tight game. So the tight game is something, that can bypass, like, lot of resistance girl give, and even if the odds are against you, you can, let's go. Even if the odds are against you, you're still able to get results. I will try to use a bit more soft language, because I am in this area. I don't want to create problem. So hopefully the people will not understand what I'm saying, but still I have to use not too much hardcore words while I'm speaking. So what I'm saying is, you can see. So what I'm saying is that the tight game is something. Sorry, the tight game is something you can bypass. Even if the odds are against you, you can still able to get results. So if you see, I will explain you with my example so that you can understand it better. Hopefully the sound is good. I will explain you with my example. So I came to Europe. Maybe some people will not able to relate with my example, because some people have different circumstances. But you have to understand one thing. system need to be tested on the tightest difficulties. So that's why my example will still relevant to you. So in my example, I came from India as an immigrant in Europe, and then I was like, working on my skills in getting results, and it was not an easy task at that time. Notice what are the things I noticed at the time also, like with my other friends when I was gaming, that other friends when I was gaming and picking up girls, that it was not that easy. They were getting much better like results, and with the same level of game I was not getting the results I did. Like at that time, this RSD boot camp also, not like one, like multiple boot camp I did. I still not able to get the type of result I was looking for, and I never understood at the time why I was not getting result, because I was all the time influenced, like this looks, money, status don't matter, like race don't matter, accent don't matter. It's just about game. You can game you can get results. That is also like, I'm not completely like disagree with that statement, but amount of game, that's that, like you can get results with the game, but the amount of game is required will vary. So if you have a low LMS, you have to put much more effort, much more points in game. If you have high LMS, then you have to put less points in game. That's the thing. So at that time it was not very clear, like what was lacking in my. So at so at that time it was not clear what was lacking at that time. Why I was not getting results at that time? Then I was trying like lot of stuff, and slowly I started to see like what was working, and I started to got results also regularly. And then when I started to teach many guys from all over the world I was teaching, then I noticed clearly, like let's see, what is it?
Shisha, chai, coffee.
Chai.
Shisha.
Later.
Salam alaikum. Salam alaikum.
So let's see in this street what's going on. So later when I was teaching many other guys all over the world, so I noticed when I was coffee. Later. So people here are very friendly actually, so it's also quite safe. Let's go here. So when I was teaching all over guys all over the world at that time, I noticed like guys with different LMS, like I will say like looks factor was more important at that time in the coaching. So different like looks and natural status. The guys were having different looks and different natural status when they were coming, and so I was noticing that the amount of effort I have to put in them was also like different. Some guy I have to put much more effort, some guy I have to put less effort. There is a case, there was a like 19-year-old German guy I was teaching, and for example, he did boot camp with me, and within 5 hours of coaching, he started to see the results, and he show the picture of me, like the type of like girls he was getting in the clubs at that time. So it's way back in 2013 at that time. So hopefully I will not I don't get lost here. So the thing was, I'm hoping I will able to make a good video. If not, at least you will enjoy the streets of Turkey here, Istanbul. So this is how it looks. So even if he was there were some other guys who came. I don't want to like exact the race and everything, but some other guys who came, I have to put much more effort in bringing them results, insane amount of effort, and they need to even did extend the coaching also with me. They need to do it even longer coaching, because the amount of time they thought was not enough. So why it was like different? So a lot of factors, a lot of factors were involving at that time, lot of facts. Oh, it's like quite crowded here. I don't know if I'm able to make the video now here. It will be very interesting. It's very crowded, if you see there. But let's see. Let's go there. So why it was different? So because of course, like the many guy came with a different level of with social skills. Some guy had very less social skills. Some guy were slightly better social skills. But one of the thing was also the natural status and the looks part was different with different type of guys who came. So according to that, I have to put more effort in game. So when I started my game in the old days, almost like 11 years ago, I was following like a simple style of game, like looks don't matter, race don't matter, accent don't matter. It's all about game, and you can get results. And I was like playing game, and then when I was not getting results, so instead of giving up, going to the black pill or incel route or MGTOW route, I didn't give up, and I just keep on working on there must be some solution. So if you see like many guys these days, we have now like MGTOW, incel community, or we have this what we have, black pill. we have black pill, for example, but 11 years ago, at that time, when it was not, this community was not there on the YouTube at least. So these communities was not there at least in YouTube. So
Abi buyurun, abla buyurun, abi buyurun.
so
Hoş geldiniz. Buyurun burası, buyurun burası.
oh, okay. So this community was not there at that time on like in the YouTube or something like that. So I never. So even if I was not getting result, I thought like I have to put more effort, put more effort. And imagine if I would have somebody would come to me and would have said that, Deepak, you are not going to. You are like Indian and you are not going to get results. It's your. There is no way you will get results, and you are Indian. You have accent. It is impossible for you to get results. And if I would have put that, I would have take that guy seriously, and that would be my reality, and I wouldn't be here and making video for you guys. So I didn't listen to this, and these guys came definitely, like some German guys came to me, and they said to me these things, like, this is not going to work for you because you are not 10, you are Indian, you have accent, you cannot speak German, and you look like a complete
alırsan 5'e. Buyurun bakın
like
buyurun.
below average guy, so it is impossible for you to get results. So I didn't took these things him like that street is quite crowded actually if you see. But let's see. So I didn't took these people seriously and just keep on working on the game. What I did also at that time, I was going with some guys, like some German guys, my wingman, and when they were getting results, when they were getting good results, then and I with the same type of like I was not getting anything. So what I did was, of course I was frustrated, but at the same time I was thinking that there must be some way. And I was frustrated. I was not like hating on them at that time. I was still frustrated and I was thinking that why they able to get result, I am not getting results. So what I started to do, I started to went out alone and then see like, analyzing what exactly missing. So for getting the same type of girls what they were getting, I was thinking, I was looking how I will get the same type of like results. So I noticed at the time like the type of effort in verbal game, physical game I was doing were much more compared to these guys. I have to put much more skills compared to these guys. So now from here the point come like good like what we say, rich people are born with opportunities they can waste, but poor people are not having that type of luck.
Rich men are born with opportunities they can waste. But a poor man?
So now I explain it here in terms of game. So the problem I was facing at that time was that, for example, a good-looking, there was a guy who was a like good-looking, tall, white, good-looking guy, and he just need to go to the girl, and he say, hey, hi, hello, and he was getting results. He was getting numbers, he was getting dates, he was getting, he was able to sleep with them. Everything was going good for me now. So we will see him as a rich guy. This good-looking guy is seen high SMV, Chad, high SMV, high tier SMV guy, Chad, high LMS, not LMS. He was not having that kind of money part, but high L and high natural status. So he is seen as a rich guy. He was getting a lot of opportunities. He don't need to put much effort on his skills, but he was getting like results. Now when we see poor guys, so when we say like poor people are born with less opportunities to waste. So what it means is that like when I was approaching girls, I was getting much less opportunities, to meet girls. And whenever I got some opportunities, I cannot just get away with some like, hey, hi, how are you? Or just a simple like basic number close. I need to make it sure that I am able to close that opportunity. So first of all, I was getting less opportunities, but even if when I'm getting an opportunity, I need to make it sure that I'm able to close that deal. And if not, then the next opportunity I will come, it will take a lot of time. So now you understand like why the tight game developed, why I developed in Deepak Dating. You learn a tight game.
Thank you.
Hello. In Deepak Dating, you develop a tight game. You learn tight game because in my personal case, I needed to put much more effort because I was getting less opportunities. So whenever I get some opportunity, I need to make it sure that I will to close the opportunity, because I know then I don't know when I will get the next opportunities. So that's why I was make it 100% sure that I able to close it. If not, then it's gone. Compared to the rich guy, that high SMV guy, high looks and natural status guy. So that good looking German guy, blonde, tall, he's getting like, every day he's getting like 5 opportunities. So even if he miss like 4, he's still getting like at least one shot to close. So he never needed any, what we say, it was not, he was not required to really put effort on developing the technical gaming skills to get results, because he was always bombarded with lot of opportunities, and he was able to cash at least one opportunity out of like many opportunities he was getting on any given day when he was going out. In my case, I was getting less opportunities, and whenever I get some opportunity, then I have to put much more effort. I have to put much more effort in closing the deal. Otherwise, I know that it is not going to work. I just cannot, if I get the opportunity, I just cannot rely on like just talking or like making some like, you know, taking a weak number, or having some kind of, let's go there, having some platonic interaction and something like that. So I need to develop my communication skills much stronger, like connection skills much stronger than other guys. I need to develop my social skill even like much higher than normal guys. When it comes to talking to girls, I need to develop the emotional stimulation much higher. I need to develop the escalation skills, the smooth escalation, the emotionality much higher, much like stronger, because there was no room for me to make mistakes. One mistake is done, opportunity is gone. So I was there was like, because for what in this say, like if you are poor, you are not going to get opportunities, and even if you get opportunity and you can't able to close the deal, then the opportunity, next opportunity will take a lot of time. So that's why if I do one mistakes, it's gone, she's gone. So I need to put much more effort in developing the game. Now some people may think that, oh, he's let's go there. Oh, this guy is okay, he's an immigrant. We don't really need to. It looks quite interesting here. This guy is immigrant. We don't need to worry. Why we should like think in his like we are not having that much of bad circumstances. Then why we need to worry? Why should we listen to him? You must be thinking that. Some of the guys, you must be thinking in that way. For that, I will say, of course, you're right that my situation is quite different, and almost I think no other dating coach in this world is having the circumstances that I am having. So of course, in reality, you know, it is. Oh, it's quite interesting. So the type of circumstances I am facing, you may not face that type of circumstances. So maybe you can say, like, you know, we don't have that kind of tough difficulties, then we should not really care what he's saying, what he's not care. But you have to understand one thing. But So, but you have to understand one thing that like the game part, the skill part, what I have developed, that is independent of the race, the accent, the looks, the style, everything. So if you have my level of, if you have like already high LMS, and you have a, let's go there. So if you already have like high LMS, and if you learn my level of game or skills, that tight game or tight skill, then you will get even much higher results. So you will get even much higher results than me. Logically, you just make it like, you know, I have low LMS, tight level of game, high level of game. You learn game from me, high LMS, and the tight game, which is only teachable. I cannot teach you the looks. I cannot teach you the like status, or I cannot teach you the accent or my skin color. I can only teach you game. So the game, when you learn it, you will get even higher results. And that is also proven on my channel with testimonials and everything. So the game part is definitely required. It is 2021. First of all, this video is going to be very long, but at least it is going to be interesting the way I'm making this video the first time. It's so much crowded. So now so what I was saying now. So yeah, so I was saying that this is 2021, and now like from here also one thing comes, like, you know, future of game. So 2021, and how is the future of game is also, so you have to see, like if you see my last videos, I'm talking about dating, global dating market value. So everybody has option to approach and talk to anywhere in the world. They can travel, and they can approach, they can talk, and it's with all this social media and all the stuff. Girls' value is very much inflated, very high, they are very entitled, you know. So in the older days, maybe you didn't need that much of tight level of game, you know, to get the type of girls what you are looking for today. But now, these days in 2021, the thing is, the good game will definitely like, you know, bring you, gets you that type of girls, because, you know, you can also improve your social media. You can also improve your social media. Lekin, sorry, I speak in Hindi. So, but so you can also improve your social media to adapt to the changes these days. But oh, my finger is. Let's go to this direction. So you can also improve your social media to adapt to the changes, but not everybody is like extrovert and like active on social media. I'm not that active on social media, and I'm making like this YouTube video and all this stuff because this is my work, this is my like job, full-time job. Otherwise, I'm not really interested in any kind of social media stuff, Instagram. So many guys are like me, they are not really interested in that much in social media, and not really have motivation to do these things. Let's go inside if they can let me go. Let's go inside in this thing. so I have to put it. So I'm in this Turkish Delight building. Looks like interesting place. So yeah, so I was talking about the future of dating. So maybe like these days, like girls have Instagram and all. I give you one example that then you will understand it better. So I met a girl last year. I met a girl on a shopping mall, and then what happens? Like we dated. On the third date, I able to I able to sleep with her. Later. I work. What? So you want?
Give me the 5 minutes, I will spend your money today.
I just come in. I have to finish the video then. So I thought like he stopped me in such a way that he knows me. So he was yeah, I met this girl, and then this girl was so I met this girl on the shopping mall. The police is there, so I have to put the mask here. I hope the voice will be good. Oh, third time, but it's good. You know, I have not made the videos. Yes. So I met this girl in the shopping mall, and then on the third date I went to sleep with her, and then like we were dating, and one time I said like, you know, what is your Instagram? And then I checked her Instagram. She had like 5,000 followers, and like, you know, some very like kind of like attractive pictures, some kind of like showing her skin and all this stuff. 5,000 followers. And then I was like, when I saw the Instagram, I said like, oh my God, I mean, if I would have meet her on the Instagram, if I would DM her on Instagram, it would be impossible for me to even get a reply. But in the real time, when I gamed her in real time, it was like the Instagram and all the things were like, she was not thinking in that way, and I able to got her. So how it works, because the girls are emotional. So when you are meeting in real time, what is the strongest way to have interaction with the girl? It's not Instagram, it's not like SMS, it's the real time interaction. When the girl is meeting a guy in real time, that's the strongest way you can have an emotional impact on her. So emotional impact on her. So when I met her in the real time, she was not thinking, oh, she's having 5,000 followers in the Instagram, and no, I will better choose someone from there who is DMing me. No, I was in front of him, and she forget, because they are emotional, she forget all the social media Instagram follower, she forget it. And then what I did also, I make it sure that I make the next meeting as quick as possible before she will forget, because the emotions of me meeting her was very strong, and so I make it sure we meet like as quick as possible. It's not that big building. Let's go there. No. So, okay, let's go there. So I make it sure that. So I make it sure that I meet her as quick as possible, and then like I met her, I closed the deal, and then like, you know, everything went fine. And after that, when I was seeing her Instagram, I was shocked that, like, you know, she having so many followers. And so if you see, the interesting thing was that if my real-time game was weak, then it would be like impossible for me to meet her. So if my real-time game was like weak, that it would be impossible to close for me to close her. So the real-time game was tight. I able to close her. We are saying like LMSG. So game. So game like many guys who are in red pill, MGTOW, incel, black pill. They all say like game don't exist. It's not about game. It's all about LMS. If LMS is the reason, then why I able to achieve the level I have right now? If LMS is only the reason, because this is not true. It's not all about LMS. It's all about LMS and G. I'm not saying it's all about G, game. I'm saying it's about LMS and G. Game is really important. With looks, money, status, game is important. And I'm the pure example in front of you that with low LMS and high game, able to get the same level of results which even a high LMS guy is not able to get. So that's what I'm saying in this video. So and I have taught like many guys, even like many dating coaches have learned from me, followed my system. They are bringing results to their like students, and so what I'm saying is that you should not ignore the game. Let's change to this angle. Yeah, it's better. So now it's better when the light is there, so this angle is better. So what I'm saying is that you should not ignore the game. The game is really important. If you ignore the game, you're gonna have problem. Definitely you're gonna have problem. You're not going to go too far in your dating life. You will not be able to successful. And when it comes to learning game, then Deepak dating is, in this today's time, Deepak dating is the only solution where you can learn the tightest level of game. I can challenge anyone who can able to teach better game than me. It is impossible. I can debate with any guy, any dating coach. The amount of proof I have given on my channel, amount of my students' proof, I have put it on my channel. So that's how the thing is. Yeah, so this is what I want to say in this video. This video became very long. It's looking like 40 minutes. But I mean, you have seen a lot of the things in this when I was walking around these crowded streets. So it would be interesting. So yeah, this is what I want to say in this video. And if you like my content, then like this video, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button also. And also Dating Master will definitely come out. And we are working on it. Oh, look at this interesting thing. So yeah, so this is I don't know what is this kind of mosque, I guess. So Dating Mastery will come out and we are working on it, and then we will be like so stay tuned to subscribe to our also email list. So yeah, so to recap one more time, that game is important, game is irreplaceable. You cannot replace the game. In 2021 it is almost impossible to replace the game. People can say whatever they want. I'm telling you the truth. I have the ground level experience. I have hustled really hard in the field for myself, for my students also. Even now also I am still in game, and I can clearly say, like, you just cannot ignore the game. You have to learn tight game in 2021 and beyond. you have to learn tight game. If you're not learning it, you're gonna have problem. Like even if you get some girl, like if you don't have game, then she will leave you, or she will like cheat on you. She will create more problem. So yeah, that's what I want to say in this video. Game is real. Game is definitely real, and never ignore game. Game is also easier than building a very high status. Learning game is easier than building a very high status. Learning game is easier than earning like millions. For example, even if you have millions with no game, it's not gonna work for you anyway. Even if you have like yeah, maybe high status, but high status is not easy to achieve. So what I'm saying is game is definitely real, and learn the tight game. Enjoy your dating life, and we will see you in the next video. Take care. Bye. Also guys, don't forget to watch the playlist Rock Solid Infield on this channel, where I'm doing live flirt, picking up girls in front of camera, showing top level pickup and attraction skills. Also don't forget to watch Student Transformation and Testimonials, where I'm teaching my students, showing full documentaries, student success and their testimonials also.